Let's talk about the 3 crystal allies for June, each one supporting a different part of our align, release, and anchor framework. To help us get anchored, we have Lapis Lazuli. Lapis Lazuli is one of the oldest and most powerful stones of truth, wisdom, and self-awareness. It has been revered for thousands of years across countless cultures as a stone of inner knowing, and it is the perfect anchor stone for June. It supports inner truth, clarity, and deep understanding, helping you take the insights and reflections of this month and grounding them into something real. Hold it when reflecting on important thoughts or decisions. Use it during journaling or self-inquiry, or keep it nearby when you need a reminder to trust the truth you find within yourself. Lapis Lazuli reminds you that the wisdom you carry is ancient, earned, and worth trusting. If you missed the full monthly numerology video for June, make sure you go back and watch that now so you can get the entire picture of how to work with this month's energy. Sending you love, light, and healing.